Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wise County in north-central Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chico, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Train spotters have reported funnel clouds. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chico around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Alvord around 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Park Springs and Crafton. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for